today we're taking a look at the brand new 2018 Roku Ultra. This is the 2018 version with the brand new JBL headphones, which are valued at $39.95, come free standard with the Roku 2018 Ultra. Now, a lot of people have asked me, is it worth upgrading from the 2017 Roku Ultra, which I have right here? And I thought we'll do a little unboxing, we'll see if there's any physical hardware differences, and then I'll put a side-by-side test here, show you how they perform, and is it worth it? Is the new headphones the only thing different here, or should you upgrade for any performance change? And that's what we'll try to take a look at in this same video. So let's do a little unboxing and see what comes with the new 2018 Roku Ultra. So first, we gotta get that tape off. There we go. Now, this is not officially out yet. Roku was very nice to send us a review unit for it. So it should be out later this month. Pre-orders are available now on Amazon. I'll put a link to it down in the show notes. You will also be able to get this at like Best Buy, Walmart, and other places. All right, right off the bat, the 2018 Roku Ultra looks pretty much identical. Let me rip the plastic off of this real quick. First glance, I don't really see anything different here, but let's go side by side here. So 2018, 2017. So ports are exactly the same, no difference. They do have the USB on the side. Size is the same. They both have the same call buttons. Honestly, I don't see any difference. The bottom is exactly the same. No difference there at all. So physically, they seem to be exactly the same. Let's keep going. Let's take a look at the remote and everything else. So you got the quick start guide, real simple how to set it up. The actual remote. Now, one difference here is, now I got this one at Walmart. So the 2017 version has the Voodoo. All Walmart Rokus come with a Voodoo quick button. This one has a CBS All Access because Roku sent this to me, not from Walmart. Past that, all the remotes look exactly the same. No difference there at all. Comes with a power cable, batteries, and the JBL headphones. Now, I sadly did not save my cheap Roku headphones that came with the 2017 version, but these feel nice. They look nice. They definitely seem to be a better quality than the ones I got from the Roku headphones and other Roku players. So that's it. That's the only difference. Now, there's one other difference here. Before you say, this is the Find My Remote button, you press this button, your remote starts chirping. It will tell you, hey, I'm over here in the couch, in the toy box, wherever. Now, with the 2018 version, you can program this to have different call signals. So it can play the ESPN Sports Center noise, or it can even play the Game of Thrones theme song as the Find My Remote feature. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, or finish the unboxing here. I'm going to do a little side-by-side test. We'll come back in just a minute here and show you how they perform head-to-head. So I've been playing around with the Roku 2018 for a little while now and been very impressed. The 2018 Ultra was super simple to set up, easy to use, everything you expect from Roku. But the big question we're here to answer is, should you upgrade? Is the new earbuds worth the upgrade, or is there something else? So let's put them head-to-head. On the left is the 2018 Roku Ultra. On the right is the 2017 Roku Ultra. Both fully updated with the same OS, 8.1.1. Now, I know Roku OS 9 is coming, but at the time of this review, it's not available. So let's dive in here. First, the scroll through real quick. Let's just hold the button down there and get a smooth scroll. See, very consistent, jump back and forth on it, and very easy to do. So overall, the smoothness, the performance, the startup, the menus all seem to be the same. Let's test out Netflix. Any difference here in the performance on Netflix? Let's find out. So far, very similar. Let's hit play on this Last Chance U. Almost identical. Almost identical. And almost identical going back to the home screen. Try out Amazon Prime Video. See if there's any difference here. So again, on the left is the 2018, on the right is the 2017. Maybe a slight difference there. Noticeable difference, actually. Not sure. Let's try that again. Let's back out. Let's relaunch these, see if there was something about them being previously accessed it, maybe. All right, here we go. So, see which one does similar here. All right, 2018 by a nose hair. Let's quickly jump in here. 2017, and this time it's doing a little bit better. By a lot. All right. Let's resume this, see which one does better. The 2018, by a lot there. So Amazon Prime, sometimes when I use it, 2018 is faster. Sometimes when I use it, the 2017 is faster. But hey, Sling TV, live TV services are often the most demanding on a streaming player. Let's see what happens here. And let's jump over to Good Morning Football. Hit play, see which one. Almost identical launch time there, very smooth. Check out Pac-12 Football on 60. That was me not clicking the button there, I don't think. At the same time, let's try that again. Yep, so very similar. I could probably run this test 100 times and get slightly different results, with one being a little bit better than the other. But it does at times feel like the 2018 is a smidgen faster. Let's switch hands on the remote here and try this test again on Sling TV, see if there's any difference in performance with it being in the other hand for each remote. All right, so 2017 is still on. There we go. Good Morning Football. Almost identical. Let's go to Pac-12 Football on 60 again. Back out. Something about that little extra cue there. So yeah, very similar, I would say. I could keep going and going and going, but you get the idea. Should you upgrade? Probably not. There's really not a reason to go upgrade to the 2018. If I was buying between the 2017 and 2018, whatever has the best deal. I don't know about you, but earbuds are probably not enough of a selling feature to make me go run out and upgrade. They're probably not a selling feature to make me pay more. So if I found a better deal in the 2017, I would pick that up. There is just really no difference here between the two. One last thing, some people are probably going to notice this. You notice on the 2018 has the Fandango movie and TV store, but the 2017 doesn't. It's because I picked up the 2017 version from Walmart. I bought it myself, and Walmart ones do not have that because they promote the Voodoo store with Walmart. So check that out. That's really the only difference there. Of course, you can still access the Fandango store from the Fandango Roku channel if you choose to install it. So that is the only difference. So hopefully this has helped you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up for more great cord cutting videos to help you learn more about the world of cord cutting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.